Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the right image and text assets so your result reads clearly. Pick PNG if you need transparency or JPG for photos. Once done, choose a font, size, color, and alignment that contrast with the background so viewers can read it at a glance. Open the image in your editor or load it into a code library like Pillow or Canvas. Make sure to set the working canvas size and resolution first. That prevents scaling issues later. Now position and style the text precisely. You can use guides or explicit X, Y coordinates, aim for consistent padding and safe margins so nothing is cropped. Apply legibility styles like drop shadow, subtle stroke, or a semi-opaque background box. These increase contrast without changing the image. Once positioned, set wrapping rules, max width, and line height so lines break cleanly. Adjust kerning and alignment for balance. If automating, finish by exporting correctly. Choose the target resolution, file format, and color profile. Save a layered source file for future edits. Test readability on multiple devices and sizes, and make sure the text stays within safe margins. If letters look blurred, increase DPI, use vector text layers, or embed fonts rather than rasterizing at small sizes. If alignment or overflow occurs, reopen the source, tweak wrapping or margins, and re-export. One key troubleshooting tip: always inspect a 100% zoom render to confirm clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.